你去过北京吗？Do you understand this one? 你去过北京吗？I mean, have you ever been to Beijing before? Oh, it's okay. You can say 没有去过。对 ，so 我去过 or 没有去过 some place， 没有去过北京。Okay, let me show you the structure. So, for example, 我去过北京 is like that. So, 我去过 in some place like 北京。So, this is structure we say I have been to somewhere before to express the past time. Like 去 is the verb and the 我 is the subject. And the plus 去 and then you can plus 过 so 去 do you know what does it mean? Yes, to me 去 means to go and the 过 is the verb we express the past time and then plus an object like 北京 yes, so 我去过北京Yes, this means I have been to somewhere before. And then it's elective way if you want to say I haven't, you can plus 没 or 没有. So 我 sorry. It's before the verb. 对没去. Means I haven't. So 我没去过北京. So let's try this again. 你去过北京吗？And 你去过上海吗？对 ，don't forget 过，我去过上海。So except 上海，你去过哪里 ？Nowhere 。Okay, 哪里 means where. Yes, 哪里 Okay, so how about India? 你去过印度吗Can you try the sentence? 你去过印度吗？对 ，so you can say 我去过印度。Yes， 很好。Okay, let's try another one. So, 你去过长城吗？Yes, great. So 你去的哪里的长城？呀，哪里的长城 ？It means in which city? 苏州。Great. So, this is a sentence we express 去过 or 没去过. Now let's exchange. You can ask me some questions. You can guess where I have been to before. You can ask me questions like 你去过at the object place like 你去过北京吗 You can ask me.餐厅 The restaurant? Great! 餐厅 So 我去过餐厅 Try another one. 我在湖南长沙 Do you know? Okay. It's a little bit far away from Suzhou. 我叫 Bonnie. You can try and ask me with this sentence, like 你去过 someplace. Oh, maybe some cities or some countries you can ask me around China. You have 3 chances to guess. 哦，我没有去过美国，太远了 ，so far. Okay, another one. Oh, which word? You can ask me. Can you type me? It's okay. You can try some countries' name around China. 对，日本。If you want to ask me, it's you, right? 你去过。对，很好。But 我没有去过日本。Try another one. Maybe this time you can guess one. So guess right. 香港 is 香港。对，香港。Yes, let me help you. Don't forget 吗？你去过香港吗？ Yes, great. Good answer. 我去过香港。
Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。